have the Crenova home theater projector. It's just delivered, LED. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. Alright, so it comes with the remote, HDMI cable here, and then power supply there. This, which I don't think I'll ever use. So go ahead and plug this in, test it out. So the remote takes two AAA batteries that do not come with the remote or the package. So, and then you just pop the back off there. So I don't have a projector screen, so I didn't improvise, but there's a little Tomb Raider. It's Xbox One. I think I said Xbox 360. I wanted to clarify that. But there's the picture, right? You, with the controller, you have the color options, right? Press the M button, or if you press the S button, you go to HDMI 1 or 2, USB, RGB, or AV cable. You would actually have the option for it. So the sound comes out of the projector, as you might imagine, and there's the picture. So
it's a lot to take in. I wish I could have been with him in the end. Knowing your people would be safe gave him comfort. He went peacefully. Thank you, Laura. Our home.
This is one of my favorite games, Tomb Raider.
We'll rebuild. But there is much work
Not
to be
bad,
done.
not bad. This is a little gameplay for you guys, in case you're interested. But there you go, there's the picture. So here's a controller, close up. There it controls picture, and then you want to switch to HDMI's, volume, play, TV, picture aspect, mute button, power button. So overall, it's a nice little unit. There's some controls there. Nice projector screen, or projector I should say. And the projector screen isn't too expensive. I think some on Amazon run for about 20, maybe at 50 bucks, depending on the size obviously, and if you wanted to drop down. But I just have to hook this up. I have to get a basement, hook it up, have like the drop it down projector screen, and I'm living the dream, like a movie theater, guys. But anyways, let me know if you have any questions.